Welcome to DumpIt.Biz, your ultimate solution for a hassle-free and convenient small dumpster rental in Lafayette, Louisiana. At DumpIt.Biz, we're dedicated to managing waste and simplifying your cleanup projects with our top-notch services. No project is too small for DumpIt.Biz. Our small dumpster rentals are perfect for residential cleanouts, DIY renovations, and landscaping projects. To ensure that you get the right dumpster to fit your needs without unnecessary costs or space, we offer a variety of sizes. We take pride in our commitment to environmental responsibility. DumpIt.Biz employs eco-friendly disposal methods and promotes recycling initiatives, contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. When you choose us, you choose a partner who is dedicated to making a positive impact on the environment. At DumpIt.Biz, we understand that small projects require efficient waste solutions. Our range of small dumpsters caters to your needs, whether a home decluttering or a small renovation. Our perfectly sized containers can help you say goodbye to clutter. Are you ready to simplify your cleanup project? Contact DumpIt.Biz at 337-552-5009 or visit www.DumpIt.Biz for small dumpster rentals tailored to your needs. Thank you for choosing DumpIt.Biz, where small dumpsters make a big difference.